Hello, hello. Welcome on into another episode of the Whiskey Crusaders. I'm Will.
I'm Sarah.
I'm Matt.
On this Saturday's Liqueur series, we're sipping on another DeKuyper's. This is the Blackberry Flavored Brandy.
Be sure to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Matt, tell us a little bit about this.
All right. Like I said, we got the Patreon now. Isn't that cool? We also got these cool DeKuyper Blackberry Flavored Brandies for you guys, which is awesome. You know you guys love DeKuyper. We got lots of these reviewed just for Will's pleasure. All right. It's 35% made with extracts of mouth-watering blackberries and fine brandy. All DeKuyper products are with the highest quality ingredients and natural flavors. No high fructose corn syrup, just for Will. All right, its cocktails is Blackberry Cider and the Blackbird. Let's see what we think. Great. I got a great story about this Blackberry brandy. It's very funny, too. I will tell this story after you try it.
Ooh, it doesn't really have a very big blackberry nose.
No.
It's blackberry and sugar.
It's sugar.
It also has grape juice.
I was going to say it's blackberry or it's berry snow cone is what I'm getting.
Oh, dude, you're right. It's the freaking snow cone flavor. Speaking of, we got to get back with Logan and get the snow cone thing going on.
Yep.
Yeah, we do. Kona Ice would be fun.
Now that all the COVID thing's over. Yeah, Kona Ice already signed off on it. We just got to get it done. Yeah, we got to get that done with Logan soon.
It's medicinal.
Yeah.
It's sharp like a brandy. I don't know if you've ever noticed it, but even at 40%, brandy to me smells sharp.
It does, yeah, for whatever reason. I guess it's the way maybe they make the cuts. I don't know a lot about brandy, but
well, I think it's just the grape itself.
This is the grapes.
I really do, because it's all of them. They're not. It's not.
You know what? You're right. They are like that. You know what's also like that? Ciroc, which is a grape-based vodka, is the same way. I think you're right. It's grapes. Weird.
I think that when grapes are distilled, it's just a sharp ethanol that comes out.
Yeah, for whatever reason.
Interesting.
It's interesting either way. All right.
God, it's so spun sugar. It's reminding me of a cotton candy.
Tastes like it too.
That is sugary sweet. Blackberry and grape juice. Very, very sugary.
God.
Okay, this reminds me of something.
A little bit sharp brandy. But
reminds me of a
Will's
candle
not a fan.
that I used to have.
Reminds you of what?
A candle that I used to have.
Oh, you're right. He's kind of waxy like that. Yeah.
An aerosol spray. This reminding me of like a bath.
Like Bath and Body Works chick
back
perfume.
in the late 90s.
Totally.
It's
exactly what it is. You're right. It's Bath and Body Works, that spray crap they put all over. Oh, it's totally that. Oh, so funny story about Blackberry Brandy. So this is back in like late 90s. The dog Mav, my dad was having a sifter full of Blackberry Brandy, and he looks over and it's gone. Well, the dog has consumed all of it.
Nice.
Oh yeah, Maverick drank the entire glass, and we see Maverick going. He started going in circles. You know what the hell to do? He's drunk. It's freaking hysterical. Poor dog. It's like, you shouldn't just lick things you find, dog. But whatever. It was hilarious. That was one of the funniest things that dog ever did. He didn't know what to do for like an hour. He was so confused. Poor dog.
That's hilarious.
But yeah, this I think would definitely reserve for cocktails. I would not suggest drinking this straight. It's very, very sweet. It doesn't taste bad. It's just super sweet. And it's not my favorite to drink on its own, to say the least.
It doesn't taste.
And maybe some other brand would be a little bit better, but I mean, this is made for cocktails, so I would suggest a cocktail and see what you think.
Williams
Not for Will, I can assure you of that.
Williams poured himself something else in a different class to end this particular video on.
I'm not sipping that again.
No, I didn't figure you were.
Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button and click that notification bell. Come hang out with us live on Monday nights, and be sure to check out our Patreon for all the behind-the-scenes fun. And until next time,
keep on crusading for better liquids in your glass.
Cheers. Ooh, I took the tiniest sips, and it's still too much.
That's not my favorite thing we've reviewed. That's
all right.
The scary part is that's not the first bottle of that. That's like the second or third bottle of that crap. Now, granted,
I can
That's 20
honestly
years old.
understand how that would be a good additive at the very top of a cocktail.
Yeah, for sure. Which is what I used it for when I bought it originally, was for cocktail. That's what I bought it for.
Yeah, I could get that because it would add a really fun sweetness to, a bunch of other things. But good Lord, that's sweet.